PowerShell can look complicated at first, but once you understand a few basic commands, it becomes much easier to use. In this guide, I'll show you how to run commands, navigate folders, manage files, find information, and connect commands together. Let's begin. Start with a simple command. Type get date and press enter. PowerShell immediately displays the current date and time. Next, try get location to see your current folder. These are safe commands for getting familiar with how PowerShell responds to instructions. To move between folders, use set location, which is also commonly shortened to CD. For example, type CD followed by a folder path. Then use getChildItem to see the files and folders inside your current location. You can also use dir or ls as convenient aliases. PowerShell can also work directly with files. Use new item to create a new file or folder, copy item to make a copy, and move item to move something to another location. To remove an item, use remove item. Be careful with that last one because it can permanently delete files. PowerShell is also useful for checking what's happening on your computer. getProcess shows running processes, while getService displays Windows services. You can use these commands to quickly inspect your system without opening several different Windows tools. If you don't know what a command does, don't guess. Use getHelp followed by the command name, for example, getHelp getProcess. You can add examples to see practical examples, or use getCommand to search for available commands. Yeah, these two are worth remembering. One of PowerShell's most useful features is the pipeline. The vertical bar sends one command's output into another. For example, getProcess sort object CPU can sort process information. This lets you build more powerful commands by combining smaller ones. And that's the foundation of PowerShell commands. Start with simple commands, learn how to navigate files, use getHelp when you're unsure, and gradually explore the pipeline. So practice with commands you understand, and PowerShell will quickly become much less intimidating.